Hi guys, and welcome back to my lane. Today I am showing you a Dollar Tree haul. I picked up so many cute and fun fall things. So I got some fall decorations as well as some things for fall DIYs or crafting, whatever you want to call it. So I'm so excited to share all of this with you. So here we go. So let's start with my favorite. These beautiful fall colored flowers. So they come in bundles, and here's some fall leaves, some nice orange flowers. This, I don't even know what you call this, but it's pretty. See the sparkle. And these red leaves, not leaves, these red flowers, and it comes with a little pumpkin and this attached, and more orange flowers, and this is like a wheat bundle, some leaves in there, and another bundle with the pumpkin, and this one is orange. So yeah. Then have this trick or treat sign, and this is cute as is, but I plan on taking it apart and making a wreath out of it. And the wreath idea I got from my sister. She did a, oh shoots, what was it? She did a Valentine's Day wreath, and she did one for Easter, and I believe she's doing one for the fall as well. So check out her channel as well. I will put the name up here, and I'll also put her link in my description box so you can check her out as well. But here's the wire Wreath Rim, or whatever you want to, what is it called? Wreath Ring. I said rim like it was a car. I have issues, but the Wreath Ring. So I'll be able to put my wreath together, and I bought a bunch of these. For making the wreath. I plan on making a fall one as well as a Halloween one, so we'll see how that goes. And I got some rope, and this is for another DIY project I plan on doing, and also some wire, what is this, wired jute cord. I don't know, yeah. So I don't even know what I'm using this for yet. I don't know. I just picked it up because I felt like it would come in handy. And my bag of rocks. And these are, again, for another DIY project, so stay tuned for those. I'm gonna show you every project as I do it. And I got these here. This one says Happy Halloween. And this one, maybe I should show it this way. Thankful and blessed. And let's see. This here, this will be for the flowers so that I can arrange them the way that I want them to be. And I'll probably use this and like some hot glue, maybe, just so it can stay in place. But stick those in there to arrange your flowers, and then we'll see how that goes. I got some fall leaves, and I don't really know what I'm using these for. I just, again, picked it up because I felt like they would come in handy. Oh, this I'm really excited about. Isn't this the cutest? So this is hand soap. And I got another one. It's a little black skull. I didn't have that in here. I already put it in the bathroom. But this soap smells so good. I forgot to look at the tag to see if they were the same scent, but this one is a coconut lime scented soap. The other one smells great. I don't know if it's the same scent, but I'm excited to smell this one and see if it's the same. If not, it probably will be just as good. But I also got some soap refills. Got 2 of them, antibacterial. It's very good. This is great for $1. I mean, this is huge. So I picked up 2 of those. And this has nothing to do with the fall theme or DIY, but I have been looking for one of these and found this at the dollar store for $1. So this is a foot mask, and from what I've heard, my daughter, she tried one, and I've seen another YouTuber that did this, and from what I hear, they make your feet feel amazing. So gets all the dead skin off, and you have nice, smooth, soft feet. So I can't wait to try it. I only found one, so hopefully when I go back, I'll find some more. But yeah, I'm going back even after all this stuff because I was looking for the, what do you call it? The like trick or treat buckets, the pumpkin ones. They didn't have any out yet, but I have plans for that, another project. So I was looking for those and very disappointed they didn't have them. But I mean, it's early, it's very early. So they had so many Halloween things. I just assumed, why wouldn't you have that? But I did talk to one of the workers there, and she was like, yeah, we definitely are getting some of those in. So just keep checking back. We get a shipment every week and we should have those soon. So, and I also picked up this, turn it around, it says Gather. And this is going to be for my fall wreath. I got like some stencils and paint from Michael's, so I am going to try some things out here with this, and hopefully it'll turn out the way I want to. But I'm gonna stick this right on my wreath and after I paint it. So yeah. Am I leaving anything out? Yes, I am. Okay, just one second. Okay, so I did have some other things. I already put them up, so I have to bring them over here so I can show you. But this here, little pumpkin, it is very sparkly and cute. And an added bonus, look at that, it lights up. And all the colors. I think this is the cutest thing. And also they had a bunch of varieties of this one. So this one says Hello Fall. And also this here, these pumpkins. I have two of them, but I just brought one over so you can see it. But this little pumpkin here, and at the bottom I just stuck one of those little the battery operated tea lights to it. And so it has a hole at the bottom, but the hole isn't big enough for the tea light to go up in there. So what I did was I hot glued it to the bottom so that it would stay in place. But you can just switch it on. Oh, I guess I don't have it. Do I have it on? Yeah, I do. It's hard to see it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's lighting up. So yeah, I think that my ring light is kind of taken away from it, but yeah, so that's that. And it just sits like this. And I'm thinking of adding something else around the bottom, maybe the rope. I don't know, but I don't really like how it's sitting like like this, you know, platformed up like that. I don't know, it seems like it's missing something, so I'll figure out something, add it on the bottom. But yeah, I think these are so cute. So this is as you can hear, it is a glass pumpkin. Glass, is that the, I don't know. Yeah, we'll say glass. It's like a vase or something. I'm a mess. But yeah, so that's it. Also, I saw, like, if you're a fragrance person, a fall fragrance, like the cinnamons and the apples and pumpkin, it's a lot of that there as well. And I went to a couple different Dollar Trees so that I can get all this. So at one, it was already a bunch of stuff. And then I went to another one and they had more stuff. So, had to refrain myself from buying too much, but they have so much cute stuff at Dollar Tree right now. So get yourself in there before it sells out. Get in there. And also, yes, check back for additional things because like I said, the worker there told me that they do get shipments weekly and they do have more Halloween themed items coming in. I didn't ask about fall, but maybe they'll get fall items in as well. So check that out. Also, I almost forgot one thing that I did pick up, which is this. I got this for my little niece. And
now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. Your love be with me through the night and wake me with the morning light. Amen.
aww, I think that's so cute. I couldn't resist. I had to get it. But yeah, so thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this lovely fall Halloween themed haul. And check back very soon because I'm gonna have some DIYs for you. I can't wait. So, oh yeah, again, don't forget to check out my sister's page as well because a lot of, I wouldn't say a lot of, some of my DIY projects come from her and then some of them are just from the internet. But yeah, she has done a lot of DIY projects and especially the dollar store themed ones. So came up with the cutest things just from putting together things for $1. I mean, you would think like some of these wreaths that she put together cost like, I don't know, you'll see them like on Etsy for like up to $50 and she puts them together for like $5. So check her out. Well, I would like to thank you again for watching. Please come back and hit that subscribe and notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. And I will see you again. Bye.